Hey everybody, it's Jayneesa. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. So the first thing that I do is brush my eyebrows back in the direction that they go in. I'm using this little brush, but you can use a spoolie. So I'm using my ABHdipbrow, a little angle brush, and I'm going to just dip a little bit in there and just follow the natural line of my eyebrows. So when I first start filling in my eyebrows, I start with the arch and then I just do the bottom, but I don't put any product towards the front of my eyebrows just because I do like that ombre effect. So what I like to do is I follow the bottom of my eyebrows with the product, I fill in the top of my eyebrows, and then in the middle I use the excess product that's on my brush to fill in any of the hairs that's in the middle. The best advice that I can give you when filling in your eyebrows is to follow the natural shape of your eyebrows instead of trying to come up with like your own shape. I notice eyebrows look very weird when you do that, but what I try to do is have my eyebrows waxed or threaded before I start doing this, so that way it's easier following the natural shape of your eyebrows. So here I'm going to just use that same brush and I'm going to brush in the middle of my eyebrows so it can have that ombre effect. And to clean up my eyebrows, I'm using this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Cool Tan and a small angle brush, and I'm going to just follow along the bottom line of my eyebrows. And here I'm just using a concealer brush just to blend everything in. And this is what my eyebrows look like when it's all done. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys.